and welcome. Today we are going to do JKSSB mini mock test for junior assistant. I request you to please subscribe the channel and like the video. Question first is Section 15 of the Jammu and Kashmir Reorganisation Act 2019 provides the nomination of how many women to the Legislative Assembly? A 1, B 2, C 3, D 4. Correct answer is option B. Question second, under which section of the 2019 Act is the annual fixed financial statement budget presented? A. Section 36, B. Section 41, C. Section 52, D. Section 24. Correct answer is option B. Section 41. Question third, the Zainalak Island in Wular Lake was originally constructed by which ruler? A. Sultan Zainul Abidin, B. Gulab Singh, C. Akbar, D. Shah Jahan. Correct answer is option A. Question 4. Which section of the Reorganisation Act deals with the special provisions as to bill financial bills? A. Section 45, B. Section 43, C. Section 38, D. Section 48. Correct answer is option B. Question 5. Who was the Viceroy of India when the Quit India movement began in India 1942? A. Lord Wavell, B. Lord Mountbatten, C. Lord Lyndhurst, D. Lord Wellington. Correct answer is option C. Question 6. The Central Advisory Committee for Assets and Liabilities was formed under which section? A. Section 84, B. Section 85, C. Section 90, D. Section 79. Correct answer is option A. Question 7. In MS Excel, which shortcut key is used to select the entire current row? A. Control plus space, B. Shift plus space, C. Alt plus space, D. Control plus enter. Correct answer is option B. Number 8. Which networking protocol is used for the actual transfer of mail between servers? A. POP3, B. IMAP, C. SMTP, D. HTTP. Correct answer is option C. Question number 9. The Gandhian Plan 1944 was drafted by whom? A. M.N. Roy, B. S.N. Agarwal, C. Jayaprakash Narayan, D. Purushottam Das Thakur Das. Correct answer is option B. Question 10. Blue baby syndrome is caused by the presence of which substance in drinking water? A. Mercury, B. Nitrates, C. Arsenic, D. Fluoride. Correct answer is option B. Question 11. Which section of the Jammu and Kashmir Reorganisation Act allows the LG to promulgate ordinances during the recess of the Assembly? A. Section 52, B. Section 54, C. Section 73, D. Section 41. Correct answer is option A. Question 12. The Harith festival is celebrated on which tithi of the Hindu calendar? A. Falguna Krishna Paksha, B. Chaitra Shukla Praditapa, C. Magha Shukla Chaturthi, D. Ashada Purnima. Correct answer is option A. Question 13. Lonar Lake in Maharashtra is an example of a lake formed by A. Glacial origin, B. Volcanic activity, C. Meteorite impact, D. Tectonic shifting. Correct answer is option C. Question 14. Which port was developed to relieve pressure on the Kolkata port? A. Paradip, B. Haldia, C. Ennore, D. Kandla. Correct answer is option B. Unemployment that occurs when workers are between jobs is known as A. Structural, B. Seasonal, C. Frictional, D. Cyclical. Correct answer is option C. Question 16. Which article of the Indian Constitution grants the President the power to appoint the LG of Jammu and Kashmir? A. Article 370. B. Article 239. C. Article 243. D. Article 161. Correct answer is option B. Question 17. Which place in Jammu and Kashmir was historically known as the Land of Kings? A. Rajouri. B. Punch. C. Kishtwar. D. Leh. Correct answer is option A. Question 18. In 1596, Sirajuddin was nominated as the Raja of Punch by which Mughal emperor? A. Babur. B. Humayun. C. Akbar. D. Jahangir. Correct answer is option C. Question 19. What is the primary function of a mainframe computer? A. Complex weather modeling. B. Large scale transaction processing. C. Personal office use. D. Graphic rendering. Correct answer is option B. Question 20. Which section of the Jammu and Kashmir Reorganisation Act establishes the High Court of Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh as the Common High Court? A. Section 75. B. Section 79. C. Section 30. D. Section 95. Correct answer is option A.